Hi guys, today we're going to show you the safety cargo net for Volvo XC40. This one was specifically designed for this vehicle and gets installed either in the back of the vehicle like you see right now, or behind the front seats, which we will show you shortly. It has been held by two metallic rods. There is one on the right side and one on the left side on the top, and on the bottom we have two spring hooks that get attached to these anchor points. The main purpose of this cargo net is to make sure that your load or your luggage don't get thrown inside the vehicle in case if you do heavy braking or if you get into an accident. This net was crash tested according to Volvo's strength requirements. If you have a big dog, this can also be used as the dog barrier. This is how it looks from inside of the vehicle. In this case, it splits our rear compartment into two sections, the trunk and the passenger compartment, so you can organize your luggage this way as well. I'll show you guys again how it gets mounted. Two rods on top and two hooks on the bottom. Right now we will transfer the net behind the front seats, so I'll show you how it gets removed. It's very simple. You can loosen this one and remove the hooks, and the rods come out as well. You simply pull them towards yourself and the net is out. To install the net behind the front seats, first we will need to remove cold hooks. Just turn them counterclockwise and pull it out. And one more on this side. Same as in the back, the metal rod goes in place right here. The spring hook gets attached to the anchor point on the rail underneath the front seat. And the other side, this one goes down. After you attached all the hooks, tighten these straps on both sides and your net is ready to go. Again guys, this will prevent the luggage or big items from going inside the cabin like this, and besides that, this again, it works as a dog barrier as well. And now your dog has a lot more room in the back. Again guys, this is how it looks. It's a high quality part. These are very solid rods, if you ask me. It's made of nylon in the middle and textile. And these are our spring hooks. I'll show you the part number for this one, and we'll try to leave you the link in the description as well. The net comes with the bag, so if you don't need it, you can easily put it inside. Look guys, even the bag is actually very nice quality. So I will wrap it somehow like this, and the whole net can easily be stored inside this bag. Very cool accessory if you ask me. As I said guys, we'll leave you a link in the description. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.